There is a video circulating online about Pella and Chief Priest, guys. So let me play the video for you so that you can see.
In a year, it's 20 billion. And for you to sell, and for you to sell to 1 million people, you just need to be selling to 3,000 people every day in all your outlets.
3,000 people?
Yes.
Every day. And you sell to 3,000 people every day?
More than
3,000 people, they buy food for that place every day. 3,000. When people talk for that, guys, you don't see the way people plenty. People much when we go.
Sure, you don't say food now. If you chop morning, you go expire. You can't chop afternoon, you go expire. You can't chop night. Minimum.
Now when I thought say those clothes, when people they say, I know we do those things. I want new business. That's why I take my time to, even a business, how much I want to build business. Business money no be problem.
Set up a business. Make sure you deal on something that is essential.
So that is the video, guys. So if you noticed what Cubana Chief Priest literally told Pella, he told him that you literally need to sell to 3,000 people before you can make 20 billion in a year. Like if you sell goods and it's worth like 20,000 naira, you need to sell to 3,000 people in a year before you can make 20 billion. This shows you that these billionaires, these rich people, guys, the way they think it is like different from every other people. That is why they are rich. That is why they got their things going on. I'm saying this thing because I want to use it in form of importation. So I show you like how I make 3 million naira in 3 months in one of my previous video, and some people were like, how is this possible? And they are doubting themselves, guys. Guys, this is absolutely real, guys, because I understand this business idea Chief Priest literally tell Pella about. So I only sell to 200 people in a month. That's how I was able to make that money. So my product cost 5,000 naira and I sell to 200 people in a month, and I was able to make 1 million naira every single month, guys. So how do I do that? I do that with importation business. So I literally buy things from China, I import it down to my country, and after that I literally sell online. I sell on Jumia platform. So I have like 5 or 6 different accounts. No, actually it is 6 accounts. I have 6 Jumia accounts. So I sell on Jumia. So all my 6 accounts generate like 200 orders in a single month. So that is how I was able to make that money. So what that man said in that video is like absolutely correct, guys. Everything is absolutely true. So don't think that it is not possible or it is only scam. You can be able to make all these amounts in a month or something. Yes, I know that the economy is bad and a lot of people can't really think well about how to make like legit money, but I'm telling you that you can do that with business. So you don't need a lot of money before you can start doing well for yourself. Even with as low as 20,000, you can still do well for yourself. What you just need to do is buy a goods in that range and then market to the right audience. So selling to the right audience is one of the most important thing about business. So people won't tell you about it. They'll just tell you that, oh, just buy and sell, and no, they won't tell you where these customers are. So for you to sell, guys, you need to know your target audience. For an example now, you see all these market lady guys, like have you ever been to Oshodi market? If you go to Oshodi market or Balogun market and you will see a woman like standing beside road, not really road, Lord, let's just say inside that shopping complex. Let's use an arena shopping complex at Oshodi. So you will see some woman standing like inside the arena, guys, selling some things. It might be like 1,000 naira. Let me just use that as an example. This thing. So I bought this thing like from China, guys. So I went to Oshodi market yesterday. So when I went to pick up my goods, so I went to Oshodi market, and when I pick up my goods, guys, I saw someone, a lady selling this thing, and this thing like cost literally less, guys. I think I bought mine. You can see I already have it before, so I just get a new one to my goods, guys. So I think I bought this thing for like probably 100 naira. I'm not even sure it's up to 100 naira. It's like 50 naira or something, and it's very less. And if you notice, like it weighs just 7 grams. It weighs 7 grams. So you will need to buy this, I think like 70 pieces before it can weigh 1 kg. So 70 pieces, guys, before it can weigh 1 kg. And this woman is literally selling this thing for 1,000. Because when I asked her how much is it, she said 1,000. I just laughed. I was like, thank God I bought my, guys. So she's literally selling it for 1,000 naira. So just imagine now, let's just say she sell like 10 in a single day. So let's say 10 in a day, and 10 is very, very, like, it is so easy to meet, guys. That target is so easy to meet because that arena shopping companies, like, thousands if not millions of people pass there every single day, because Oshodi is a very big market. So out of those 1 million, 1 million is too much. I just, like, let's just break it down. Let's just say like 100,000 people. So out of that 100,000 people, she just need 10 people to buy this thing from her. 10, like literally 10 to buy 1,000 naira goods from her. So if she buy 10, let's just say that's 1,000 naira, and this thing costs like way less. So this thing costs, let's just say an example, 100 naira. So she'll be making 900 profits per one person, and let's say she sell for 10 people, so she'll be making 9,000 naira in every single day, like every single day. So let's just say that, okay, she pay all those people like to market their goods there or something. Let's just say she pay like 1,000 naira or 1,500 every single day. So if you remove that thing, that amount, let's just say she make like 7,000 naira or 7,500. Let's just say 8,000 naira. Let's just she pay those people 1,000 naira. So she make 8,000 naira every single day, guys. So 8 times 30. Let me make the calculation here. 8 times 30. So she will be making 240,000 naira for just selling this thing to 10 people every single day, which is absolutely possible. Like, that's the worst case scenario, guys. So this tell you that, like, people make money, you just don't know it. Like, all these people you just look down on or something, guys, these people are making money, guys. So you can also be part of these people. What you just need to do is learn a business, learn a skill, and you can do well for yourself. And importation is one of the things that will make your life easier, guys. Like, it is very flexible. You can literally be in another country and then import to your country and just automate everything. Like, you have everything on ground, like people that will help you to ship your goods to your warehouse, everything. Like, it is stress free. You can literally do all these things if you learn business. So it is only business that can make you money. So like I said, I also watched a video recently, like on To The Enos Plate, guys. So like they were asking people like, how can you make 50,000 naira a day? And everybody are saying you hook up, guys. How did we even get here? How did we get here, guys? You can literally make money. There are ways you can do all these things. You can make money online, and right now you can literally find all these things online. People are not gatekeeping information anymore. This is not 2015, this is not 2010, when it is literally hard to have information about how to make money. Now you can do anything to make money. Like, I watched a video also, like a lady, she was at a bank. So I think she's applying for a loan. So the person asked her like, what do you do for work? She said she's a content creator, and she was laughing. Like, is content creator a job? I was laughing. Content creator, do you know how much they make? Do you know how much they make? Do you know Ashakain? Do you know how much Ashakain makes every single month or every single day, like from his content? Do you know how much VDM makes? Do you know how much all these people make? Like, there is money everywhere. What you just need to do is stick to one thing and then master it. Like me now, I stick to importation, and I'm literally teaching people how to do that for free, guys. Like, you don't literally need to pay me anything. Just watch my video and you will gain knowledge from it about importation, how to get started and all. So that's just how it is, guys. Yes, the economy is the problem, but you can still maneuver about it. Like, people are still buying car in this economy. People are still getting money. So you can also be that people. What you just need to do is know the information, guys. Know the information and you will make money. So that will be all for our video, guys. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe. And thanks for tuning in, guys. So this is not a motivational video. This is just a wake-up call to you that you can make literally any money in Nigeria, guys. Yes, this Nigeria we are, you can make money. So thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.